If Chrome keeps showing that Google Translate pop-up on every page, you can turn it off in just a few seconds. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to disable the Google Translate pop-up in Chrome so you can browse without constant translation prompts. If this helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're using the browser where you keep seeing the translation pop-up because the setting is controlled inside Chrome itself. Next, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three dots menu. Click those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. From the list, click Settings. This will take you to the Chrome settings page where you can control everything from privacy to appearance to language preferences. Once the settings page opens, look at the left-hand menu, find and click Languages. This section manages the language tools in Chrome, including translation behavior and language preferences for websites. Now scroll through the language settings until you find the option labeled Use Google Translate. This is the feature responsible for showing translation prompts on web pages. To stop Chrome from asking to translate pages, simply turn this switch off. As soon as you disable it, Chrome will stop showing the Google Translate pop-up whenever you visit sites in another language. You can still translate pages manually if you ever need to, but the automatic prompt will no longer appear. That's it. The setting is now turned off, and your browsing should feel a lot cleaner and less interrupted. If this video saved you time, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Chrome tips, browser fixes, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.